Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. My name's Trevor, and I'm glad to have you guys here today because we're doing something I never thought I was gonna do, but it's such a good deal I can't pass it up. And the sad thing is, it's not really gonna be used right away. It's gonna take some time. I'm watching some trains right now. We got a head-on train battle playing chicken. Just kidding. This one in front of me is actually chilling, just waiting for this guy to pass. And this one is a long train. So we're just waiting here for a good friend to get here. Shipbox Geo, aka Reno. He is on his way to bring me something. And well, we'll just wait till he gets here to show you guys what that is. In the meantime, we need to talk about my car. For one, it really needs a transmission. And somebody said, well, forget the 4L60E, forget getting a built one from RPM, just go with the Glide. I don't know, should I just go with the Glide? I have no idea. Do you guys know? If so, let me know down below. I mean, my ultimate goal is to turn this into kind of more of a street car that I can still take out on the weekends. I really wanted to get to 500 wheel horsepower NA. However, we may just go to some sort of boost. I don't know yet. Anyways, that's kind of where I want to go with the car. So I'm gonna have to build the motor. I'm gonna have to get a set of wheels and tires that are capable of putting the power to the ground. And you know, I've got a lot I want to do, and I really want to shoot to try and start doing this stuff now and have it ready for next season. Obviously, money is a big issue and a big problem, but you know what? We only live once. It'd be worth it. Even if it puts me a little bit behind, it's gonna be worth it. With that being said, though, I am taking care of some other bills right now. Once I get those knocked out, you can guarantee I'm putting money back for the car. We're gonna be putting some money into her because this car isn't going anywhere, alright? It's not gonna go anywhere. And now is the perfect time for me to start building it into a real race car, into a real drag car. Not a 7-second car, but you know, I'm okay with a 10-second car. That'd be pretty legit, right? I'd be happy. Shoot, right now I'd be happy to hit a 13.0. You give me that 12, I'll be a little bit happier. But let's cut right here, cut back when Reno gets here, and see what he's got in store for us. Ooh, which vehicle will it go on? I don't know. They seem to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3
people on.
Cowboy dance.
There he is. What do we got here? So we just got done meeting up with Reno, and well, here we go. Let's see what we bought. You guys ready for this? Oh. All right, here it comes. Oh, let me grab that light. Let me get that light. Okay. What? Is that a turbo? Is that a Turbski right there? Yes, sir, it is. Get that puppy up out of the box. Look at that. We officially have one turbo. Now, here's the question. Do we put this on Dora, which also really should be a twin turbo setup, or do we put this on AV, which really does need a twin turbo setup as well? I think I know what I'm gonna do. I think I know what we're gonna do. However, I want to hear from you guys what you think we should do with this, and I'll definitely take that feedback into consideration when it comes to what we actually do when the time comes for this. I'm super excited. I hope that you guys are as excited as me. Drop those comments down below. Let me know which vehicle this should be put onto. Or if there's something else you guys have in mind, kind of like I have in mind. Maybe another one? Maybe a twin turbo kit for AV, because I do want to make more power. This seems very, very fitting. Well, you guys know the deal. Have a great day. Smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to drop those comments down below. And as always, please click that red subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. If you click that red notification bell, you'll always be notified of our uploads. Have a great night.